All right, we're going to take a drive in a 1961 Chrysler Imperial Custom Southampton. Boy, that's a whole lot of labels for this thing. But what a bomb. This thing is so cool. It's got a 413 cubic inch V8 in it. It's got a torque flight, 3-speed automatic transmission, loaded with options. Power seat, power windows, air conditioning. It's got a custom sound system in it. Look down here. It's got a stereo there. It also has a Bluetooth in the glove box. And this steering wheel, I mean, it's artwork. Got a push button transmission. Chrysler's known for that. But beautiful, big, heavy beast. 70 grand in receipts. This thing's completely restored. It just runs and drives beautiful. It's got power brakes and power steering, and everything's stock on this car. It's got updated air conditioning with the 134 Freon, the better Freon, and it's got the wide white wall tires on there, radials. And like I said, stack of receipts. I even have the original owner's manual and the brochure that you could look at when you were buying one of these brand new. It's a nice color, Alaskan white. I guess they call this interior like russet. It's like a two-tone vinyl and cloth. But overall, I mean, you just don't see them like this. And when you restore a car like this, you want it to be definitely complete, because some of the parts are hard to track down, some of these dash components and things like that. Even these pop-up AC vents up there on the dash. But we'll go up here and take a little closer look at it for you and take some more video. All right, here's a unique car we don't see every day here at California Cars. A 1961 Chrysler Imperial Custom Southampton. It's got all those names that go in there, actually. That's the model that this one is. And what a beautiful car. I mean, it's like artwork. You look at these tail lights that are hanging there. The faux spare tire is sold new at AB Poe, El Paso, Texas. Nice solid car underneath. No signs of any major rust repair or anything like that. Previous owner had it right here in California for the last 20 years. I've got a book of receipts, $70,000 in the restoration. But kind of went through everything. Got the correct material for the inside, the correct paint. This is Alaskan white. Even these headlights. Incredible. This car is so big and so heavy that they were disqualified for going in demolition derbies back in the day because you couldn't stop it. You'd kill everybody. It's heavy, it's big. But what a beautiful car. Again, it's got the wide whites, the custom deluxe wheel covers. You see those, I noticed these around the edge there. Those are little holes, and I didn't think they were on all the way, but those were cooling vents for the brakes through the wheels. So I thought that was kind of unique. I'll show you the interior. Yeah, everything's pretty much fresh, you know, carpeting, seat upholstery, headliner. The dash gauges were all restored. It's got a custom stereo. I'll show you that real quick. So right there, it has a Bluetooth disc changer in the trunk. There's the disc changer. And it all works off that factory stereo that's been modified, so they didn't have to cut the dash or anything. Pretty neat. And then of course the push button transmission. It's a torque flight, 3-speed automatic, and that steering wheel is really cool. I mean, that's awesome. It's so unique to this car. And the pop-up AC vents. Again, power seats, power windows, power steering, power brakes, a little bit of everything. And even this roof line, which is cool. They painted this silver. I think there was a model that had like a stainless steel that went in there, but this one was just painted to make it look good. But pretty fantastic car, a lot of money spent. We're asking a fraction of that, and you're welcome to come out and check it out. It's pretty good looking car in person. Here's the power plant in the 61 Chrysler Imperial. It's a 413 cubic inch V8. It's rated at 350 horsepower from the factory. It's got power brakes, power steering. It's got air conditioning. It's been retrofitted to the 134 Freon. You know, it's got a big radiator on there. It's got a 4-barrel carburetor. Everything's been redone. If you look at this car, all the rubber, hinges, bolts. I mean, this car's been completely restored. we're going to go ahead and fire it up for you. She is, purrs like a kitten. Got a little battery kill there too for when you store it for a while, as well as a trickle charge setup. It's got dual exhaust going all the way out the back. It's got those curb feelers too. Sounds good. Nah, great looking car and unique, so it's probably pretty easy to get a trophy for this one if you're at the local Cars and Coffee or car show, because you're not going to see another one probably. They only made 1,009 of these for this year. That's kind of rare. Well, if you want to see it in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. And my name is Rich. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. Happy to fill you in on if you need any more information on this one. Thanks for watching.